In the world of physical fitness and sports, few disciplines rival the intensity and demands of boxing. The commitment to daily boxing training represents a journey that can profoundly transform your body and mind. In this extensively detailed guide, we embark on a comprehensive exploration of the intricate and profound effects of daily boxing on your body. Beyond the concise headings, we delve deep into the myriad physical, mental, and emotional dimensions of this exhilarating yet challenging sport. In today's video, we will be showing you what happens to your body when you do boxing every day. Cardiovascular conditioning. Engaging in daily boxing significantly improves your cardiovascular health. The constant physical demands of the sport lead to several important cardiovascular benefits. Daily boxing results in increased heart rate due to the strenuous physical activity. This continuous elevation of your heart rate enhances your heart's efficiency in pumping blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your muscles and organs. Regular boxing workouts can lower the risk of heart disease by regulating blood pressure, reducing bad cholesterol levels, and improving good cholesterol levels. This overall improvement in heart health can reduce the likelihood of conditions such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Daily boxing also contributes to enhanced lung capacity. The sport involves deep and controlled breathing, which gradually expands your lung capacity. This allows for better oxygen intake and carbon dioxide removal, ultimately improving your respiratory function. In summary, daily boxing provides a comprehensive cardiovascular workout that strengthens your heart, improves circulation, and enhances lung function. These combined benefits lead to better cardiovascular health and a reduced risk of heart disease. Muscle development. Daily boxing leads to significant muscle development throughout your body. The repetitive motions involved in punching, blocking, and dodging in boxing engage various muscle groups. Over time, these repetitive movements lead to increased muscle mass and improved muscle tone in your arms, shoulders, chest, and core. The necessity of maintaining balance and stability in boxing activates your core muscles, including your abdominals and obliques. Daily boxing workouts target these muscles, resulting in improved core strength and definition. The footwork and lower body movements required in boxing engage muscles in your legs, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. This engagement leads to enhanced leg strength and improved overall lower body muscle tone. Boxing workouts also engage the muscles in your upper back and neck, especially during defensive maneuvers. This engagement contributes to better posture and overall upper body muscle development. In summary, daily boxing workouts engage and strengthen various muscle groups throughout your body, resulting in increased muscle mass, improved muscle tone, and enhanced strength. Weight management. Daily boxing is an effective tool for weight management, supporting weight loss and fat reduction. Boxing is a high-intensity activity that burns a significant number of calories. Engaging in daily boxing leads to consistent caloric expenditure, contributing to weight loss. Daily boxing workouts can boost your metabolism by building lean muscle mass through strength training. A faster metabolism helps your body burn calories more efficiently, even at rest, which aids in fat loss. Many individuals who commit to daily boxing become more aware of their dietary choices. This often leads to healthier eating habits, such as balanced nutrition and portion control, further supporting weight management. Boxing workouts effectively target both subcutaneous fat, fat beneath the skin, and visceral fat, fat around internal organs, making it a comprehensive approach to fat loss. In summary, daily boxing promotes weight management by burning calories, boosting metabolism, encouraging healthier dietary habits, and effectively reducing body fat. Improve reflexes and coordination. Daily boxing enhances your reflexes and coordination. Boxing requires rapid and precise reactions to your opponent's movements and punches. Daily practice sharpens your reflexes as you learn to anticipate your opponent's actions and execute swift responses. Improved hand-eye coordination is crucial in boxing. Daily boxing drills and sparring sessions involve constant coordination between what you see and how you respond physically. Maintaining balance and stability during boxing footwork demands precise coordination between your movements. Daily practice enhances your ability to coordinate your body effectively while shifting weight and changing direction. Boxing requires intense concentration and strategic thinking, which daily practice reinforces. These mental attributes extend beyond the ring, improving your decision-making and problem-solving skills in various daily situations. In summary, daily boxing cultivates heightened reflexes, improved hand-eye coordination, better balance and footwork, and enhanced mental focus, which can benefit your daily life in many ways. Enhanced mental focus. Daily boxing is a powerful catalyst for enhancing mental focus and concentration. Boxing demands unwavering concentration. To excel in sparring or competition, you must stay fully engaged in the present moment, continuously assessing your opponent's movements, strategizing your responses, and executing your plan. Daily boxing reinforces your ability to concentrate for extended periods, a skill that can prove invaluable in various aspects of life, from work tasks to academic endeavors. Boxing is as much a mental game as it is a physical one. Daily practice helps develop your strategic thinking. You learn to anticipate your opponent's actions, analyze their weaknesses, and formulate effective tactics to gain the upper hand. This strategic mindset extends beyond the ring, making you more adept at problem-solving in everyday situations. Daily boxing workouts provide a healthy outlet for stress and anxiety. Engaging in intense physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. Regular participation in boxing can help you manage stress effectively, leading to improved mental well-being. Moreover, boxing fosters discipline and mental toughness. Daily training requires commitment and perseverance, instilling a strong work ethic that can be applied to various aspects of your life. The ability to push through physical and mental challenges in the sport can also build resilience and mental fortitude. In summary, daily boxing cultivates heightened mental focus, strategic thinking, stress management skills, and discipline. These attributes not only enhance your performance in the sport, but also have the potential to improve your daily life by making you more alert, adaptable, and resilient in various situations. Increased confidence. Daily boxing can significantly boost your self-confidence. Achieving physical fitness and honing your skills in boxing can lead to a greater sense of self-esteem and self-assuredness. As you see improvements in your physique, strength, and boxing techniques, you'll naturally gain confidence in your physical abilities. Mastering the art of boxing takes time and dedication. Overcoming challenges and progressing in the sport can provide a sense of accomplishment that extends beyond the ring. This sense of achievement can translate into increased self-confidence in various areas of your life. Facing opponents in the boxing ring and challenging yourself in daily workouts can help you overcome fears and self-doubt. This newfound resilience and courage can be applied to other aspects of your life, whether it's public speaking, tackling difficult tasks, or confronting personal challenges. Stress relief and mental well-being. Daily boxing serves as a remarkable stress relief outlet and promotes mental well-being. Engaging in intense physical activity, such as daily boxing workouts, releases endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers. These endorphins help reduce stress and anxiety, leaving you with a more relaxed and positive state of mind. Boxing allows you to channel negative emotions and stress into a constructive and physically demanding activity. This not only provides a mental release, but also helps you maintain emotional balance. The discipline required for daily boxing can foster a sense of structure and routine in your life, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with anxiety or other mental health challenges. The regularity of training can provide a stabilizing influence. Additionally, boxing provides a sense of community and camaraderie when practiced in a gym or with a group. Building connections with fellow boxers and trainers can combat feelings of isolation and contribute to a more robust support system. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.